Alright, now we are discussing about the voice. Especially voice are two types. One active voice and another passive voice. The active voice, the subject is the prominent, but in passive voice, the subject is dominated by the other element. That means do or other elements is emphasized than doers or subject. Alright, let's discuss. Voice. Voice. Type of voice. Let's see type of voice. Type of voice. One is active voice. Active voice. Alright. Second is passive voice. Passive voice. Okay. Active voice. Active voice. Alright. These two types of active voice and passive voice. In active voice, the subject is prominent, and active voice. Alright. Active voice and passive voice. Passive voice. Let's say passive voice. The other element is emphasized then doer or subject. Alright, you see, the active voice, the subject prominent is in active. In active voice, the subject is prominent, and passive voice, the other element then is important or emphasized than the subject or doer. Alright, or I means in the active voice, when we explain anything in active voice, the subject emphasis are more prominent, or if we express the sentence or if we describe anybody in passive forms, we have to emphasize the other element, object or other element than the subject or doer. Alright. Example, let's see. Example. Suppose Ram write a love letter, writes a letter. Alright, this is active voice. This is active voice. Alright, then all letter is written. All letter is written by him, by Ram. Alright, all letter is written by, this is passive voice. Passive voice. All letter is written by Ram is passive voice. Or Ram writes a letter. Or letter is, you see, the subject plus verb plus object, and object plus is MR plus PP, third form of Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. Written. Alright. This is B3. B1. B2. So V3 is, we have to put V3 in passive voice. Or another example, Sita is Paul walks 2 kilometers every day. Every day walks. Oh, sorry. Every day. Sorry, this is no need this one, or you have to write he makes or table or table is made by him. All right. These examples. This is active voice. He makes a table or table is made by. It is active voice. It is passive voice. Alright, these are active and passive voice. Alright, this is the scenario that we express our sentence. I mean, let's see, the voice, especially voice are two types. One is active voice and another is passive voice. Two types of voice. Active voice, the subject prominent in active. Subject is prominent in active voice. The subject is prominent in active voice, whilst the other element is emphasized, emphasized than the doer or subject. Alright, the other element is emphasized. Is plus it is also using is emphasized. Understand? Let's see. The other element is emphasized. In this condition, we have to use passive voice. So the other element is important than the doer or subject of doer or subject. Ram writes a letter or letter is written by Ram is a passive form. He makes a table or table is made by him. Alright, this is passive. Ram writes letter is an active voice because the Ram is a subject. It is prominent and it is important than the other element. Then or later is important than Ram. That's why or later is the function of later writing is important. Or later is written by Ram. Ram is emphasized less than the other element. Understand? He makes a table or table is made. He makes a table. He is the prominent in this subject. He makes a table. Mainly the doer emphasized here, and the table is emphasized in another one. That is passive voice. Doer is by him is less emphasized than the other element. In this condition, we have to use active voice and passive voice. Alright. So, do you get it? These are the These are this is the voice are two types. These are two types of verb. Active voice is subject prominent. Passive voice other element is emphasized. Their doer or subject. For example, Ram writes a letter. Active voice. All letter is written by Ram. Or he make a table. Or table is made by had plus pp. Is mr plus pp. Yes, object plus is mr plus is mr plus pp or v3 by the doer or subject. Understand? Alright.